Hey guys, day 4 of Banana Island. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and this is an update on how the Banana Island special is going so far. And I'm also going to share with you, I'm going to show you actually how I'm making a banana ice cream. There are two ways. So how has it been going? I think I'm still healing. I've kind of had a cold coming up, just starting with the Banana Island, and I feel this is moving through. So yesterday afternoon and today I'm going to be resting and relaxing and just allowing the body to really cleanse itself. What I'm recommending and what I'm taking at the moment as well is ionic zinc, which is a liquid zinc sulfide. It's awesome because it supports, it's antiviral, it's antibacterial, and it really supports the body to take all the force and to stimulate the immune system. It's not a secret that zinc helps to build up the immune system. What a lot of people don't know, that these normal zinc supplements that you have in tablet form, the problem with these conventional zinc supplements is that they are not effective enough because they don't come in a form that the body can easily absorb. Yeah, it's not natural for us to take supplements just isolated. The body always gets things all mixed together. Yeah, so if you have a celery, for example, who has some zinc, it comes with sodium, it comes with some iron, it comes with natural vitamins. Those combined with different things, and that's easy for the body to absorb. And it also comes in an active zinc form. Yeah, you want to make sure you get a zinc supplement that has an active form of zinc. So this ionic zinc is the only thing actually that I found that has the standards. Yeah, it's from Good State Health Solutions, and it only has pure water in it. So it's not alcohol based. This is also important. You don't want to damage your liver and take more use alcohol-based things. It only has pure water, and often these traditional, the cheap ones that you get everywhere, zinc supplements, they have a lot of binders, which are actually really working against the absorption, from the body. It doesn't make it easier, and second, they contain things like corn starches, which feeds viruses that you don't want, or other filling substances that are not good for your body and that don't support your health. So ionic zinc is really the best thing that you can do. One thing I'm doing when I have a cold, right now, this is a bit hardcore, but it works. So I had a sore throat. What I did, you take 4 drops of this directly on the tongue. Yeah, so you open and you put it directly on the tongue, and then you let it sink in. Yeah, you leave it in the mouth. You don't swallow it straight away. That really supports this whole throat area here to be to basically kill off the viruses and the bacteria, because this is the killer. It also has super good effects on the rest of your body. It supports your liver, strengthens these liver cells, very good for your digestion, helps your nerves as well. That's a lot of what people don't know about zinc. It's also supporting in an indirect way, supporting the nerves. Yeah, just to let you know, that's what I'm taking, and I'm really, really happy to, and I also recommend it to my clients. Okay, so far for the update, and now, as I'm having a bit of sore throat, which is going away, but still, I decided to make some banana ice cream. I'm going to take you over to my kitchen so you see how I'm doing that. Okay guys, here we are in my tiny little kitchen here in Germany. There are 2 ways to do the banana ice cream, and so the only thing you need, by the way, are bananas, ripe. Yeah, this is a ripe banana. It smells ripe, and they are very soft. The skin starts to turn very soft, and you can easily get them off the skin. And what you also need is, for the first option, if you don't have any frozen bananas, I don't have any frozen because I just started freezing them, you can use ice cubes. Yeah, so ice cubes, and you need, of course, what you need is a blender. Yeah, so this is my new and old blender from Breville. Really nice thing, super cheap, holds forever, crushes everything. You will see that in a moment. So that's the first option, and we are going to do that together. Before we go there, I'm showing to you the second option. So second option is in my freezer. So this is how I put things in the freezer without plastic bag. And you basically just cut up bananas. Yeah, they are like this in the freezer. And you leave them for 24 hours. They can stay there longer, but minimum 24 hours, so they're really frozen. And then you don't need any ice cubes. But we are going for option number 1 now. Let's get started. Yeah, so basically just peel the banana. Gets very easy to peel because it's ripe. Yeah, so 3 is without squeezing. I get 3 in there. Then I put the ice cubes in there. And then you put, sorry, I see some ice cubes. And then you put a bit of water on top. And then blending action. I like more like a milkshake banana ice cream. If you want to have it more firm, yeah, if you really want to have it like a cream, then you just add less water. It's really easy. And one trick, if you want to have it really, really tasty, there are 2 ways to make it even more tasty, which are also allowed on Banana Island. It's either adding some cinnamon or adding some pure vanilla bean powder. What I like to do, I usually do my banana ice cream or ice cream shake with vanilla, and then in the evening I do like warm banana cinnamon milk with the cinnamon. That's kind of my way of doing, but you can also combine them and find your own way. So I'm going to put some vanilla powder in there. So here we go, my banana ice cream shake. Okay, you see it's pretty liquid, but I like it that way. If not, it's also too cold for me. But if you are living in summer right now, or you just like it like creamy, then you just put more ice cubes in and less water. That's it. Well, it's so sweet. Awesome. Okay guys, that was day 4 update from Banana Island. I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And I'm looking forward to hear from you and see you back tomorrow. Bye bye, have a nice day.